Hey everybody, I am traveling to Japan, so I won't have an update today. Psych. Could you imagine? Anyway, I'm still in the airport, but it's November 1st. Bitcoin is technically above the 200-day exponential moving average, so it's technically holding on, but it's not looking great. The key thing is on the weekly time frame here for Bitcoin is you want to see it hold the 21-week exponential moving average, but there's a problem with that. Because if we go up Saturday and Sunday to stay above the 21-week EMA and we have that weekly candle close and that holds it, that will create a bearish gap on the futures chart, unfortunately. So the odds of us then falling back through, granted, you could have a weekly candle close here, things are good on the weekly chart, and then just like on these previous weeks, we go down, we fill the bearish gap, it's a wick below, and we just want to hold this. The problem is that this whole area is becoming weaker and weaker and weaker support for Bitcoin because it's getting tested so frequently. And so if Sunday comes around and we don't get above basically $111,000, then a fall to 100K is looking more likely. Particularly given when you go and look at all of the liquidation levels for Bitcoin over on Binance, you can see that the market incentive is to go lower. It's more to go lower than it is to go higher. And well, Binance, they do like to make money. And if that does happen, then that would at least give us the opportunity to come down and close this gap that's been on Bitcoin's chart down at $92,000. Which, if we do that, dip down, close this gap, and maybe even wick down to like the mid 80K range, I think that would be the bottom here before the markets would then rally, and the market manipulators would want to market manipulate it to get ready for a pump into the majority of next year for midterm elections in November. But we'll see how that goes. So let's keep our eyes on how that weekly candle closes. And while I'm in Japan, I'll do updates every now and again, but don't expect a ton of videos from me because I need to spend time learning Japanese because I didn't do a single bit of that. Anyway, bye. I love you. Mwah.